How to add multiple different widgets to iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. On the widget screen, you can use the search bar for convenience. Now, scroll down and tap on Clock. You can swipe left or right to preview the different available formats and sizes for the widget. Once you've chosen, tap the Add Widget button at the bottom of the screen. The widget will now be placed on your home screen. To add another widget, tap on Edit in the top left corner again. Now, tap on Add Widget. Search for the weather widget in the search bar. Choose your preferred style and tap on Add Widget at the bottom. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add multiple different widgets on an iPhone.